Hello, English learners. Welcome back to English with Sanzi. Today you will learn English conversations about travel that you can use in real life. Conversation at the airport. Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Good morning. Here's my passport.
Do you have any luggage?
Yes, I have one suitcase and one handbag.
Please place your suitcase on the belt.
Sure.
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is 23B.
Thank you very much.
Conversation at the immigration. What is the purpose of your visit?
I am here for vacation.
How long will you stay?
I will stay for 5 days.
Where will you stay?
I will stay at a hotel.
Enjoy your trip.
Thank you.
Conversation with taxi or transport. Hello, can you take me to this hotel?
Yes, of course.
How much will it cost?
It will cost around $20.
That's fine, thank you.
You're welcome. Please sit.
Conversation at the hotel. Hello, I have a booking under the name Sanzi.
Welcome. May I see your ID, please?
Here you go.
Your room is on the 3rd floor. Breakfast is included.
What time is breakfast?
From 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Great, thank you. Conversation at the asking for directions. Excuse me, is this place near the market?
Yes, it's very close.
How can I get there?
Go straight and turn right at the signal.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
If this lesson helped you, like the video, subscribe to English with Sanzi, and keep practicing English every day. See you in the next lesson.